Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest purchase. This is a copper hanging bird bath. So it's a little bit deeper than what I expected, but that's okay. I won't fill it all the way up. The dimensions on the website were 14 inches, I think 14 inches across the middle here, if I'm not mistaken. It's got a copper chain. And there's no kind of markings or anything like that from any company on it, but you can see how the chain mounts. And I've got several bird baths, but I don't have any of them that hang. And I wanted one that hangs because I want to hang it from my bird feeder pole that I can actually see from my living room. So let me show you the hook on it is just a regular standard hook. I was going to say S hook. It's kind of it's not really a S hook, but it'll do the job. So anyway, let's get this thing hung up.